Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk MIUDINHO, okay, which is a very simple rhythm, but it gets difficult the quicker you play and also the more fun you want to have. Because if you want to have more fun, you need to start doing some little repiques, and that really takes some skill. We're gonna get right into it. The bass of the bass of the bass is 5 notes. Let's go. And that's it. You can play MIUDINHO like this, using this pattern, 5 notes, okay? Of course, this is very bare bones. Let's add the second part to it. You rarely just repeat this pattern, okay? You play the bass a few times and then you add this pattern at the end of the phrase. Very small important detail, you have to pay attention how you use the cabaça. I actually open cabaça on the Preso sound. Yeah? So you close the cabaça on Chaidos, on the bases, and on the Presos, you really open cabaça. Before we dive into the variations, do you guys actually know what MIUDINHO is? It's a type of training that Mestre Suassuna came up with. MIUDINHO's goal is to get students back close together, okay? To play fast, to be able to control themselves, to be able to show nice movements, and most of all, to cooperate. So the first variation we're gonna use is something I introduced in the video about leveling up your berimbau skills. Preso, solto. Have to really dedicate some time to practicing, but once you can do it, you can put it within MIUDINHO rhythm. I want to show you this simple variation as well. The trick here is to use the cabaça correctly, okay? Usually in MIUDINHO you open on the Preso sound. Now you start on the Preso closed and then you open on the Solto. Okay, there is another variation commonly used in MIUDINHO, especially by Mestre Suassuna, that doesn't rely on this pattern, okay? We've done this variation in the previous berimbau videos, but I'm gonna repeat that for you. Here we go. Let's loop it. This bit of variation is often used when there is a start of MIUDINHO roda and two players start to improvise with those movements, this kind of ginga movements in front of the berimbau. And then when the rhythm starts, they start to play the MIUDINHO game. Okay, let's put everything together, let's see what we can come up with. And with this nice accent, we're gonna finish this episode. I hope you learned something, as always, guys.